Hey guys, it's Tucker here. In today's video, we're doing something a little bit different. If you guys do not know, I built a PC for my friend SA over here a while back.
What's up?
Actually, I didn't build the PC. He built the PC himself.
He helped me.
Yeah, everything was from Micro Center, right? However, it's been 3 years since we got it. In 2019, we got it. And today, it died. So, we're going to figure out the problem. We already know what it is, but we were in the possible solutions. First of all, this is a isn't this Radeon 60X, right? The GPU.
The GPU, it's a 5700 XT.
And then it's a Ryzen 26X, right? Or is it just 26?
I believe so. 26X, I think.
Yeah. So we know like it's most likely either the motherboard or M.2, and if it was the motherboard, we know ahead of time, but we can confirm it's the drive. And if it was the motherboard, that'd be awful. And the reason why that would be the case is because with Intel, you have to literally switch out the motherboard and the CPU. With AMD, thankfully, we don't have to actually do that, and we can literally just switch out the motherboard. But yeah, it's neither one of those, thank God. So we already got him a SSD. I actually brought one over. If you guys did not know, we use this for the $600 PC build video, and I think we got a similar one for the $1,000 PC build video. But I like having extra PC parts on hand, and you know, I don't really care about this because it's for the boys, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna install this, and hopefully it'll work. But let's just go ahead and give you a demonstration of like what happens when you turn it on.
Cool. Hit that.
Did you push the black button on it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It just took a second. It was sus. So you're guys gonna see, we're gonna get a signal, but it's not gonna be like anything fancy. It's just gonna be like, oh yeah, you didn't do drive. So like you see, reboot, select proper boot drive and stuff. So the M.2 died. Now usually a hard drive is more likely to die than an M.2. So yeah, installing an M.2 is annoying, but honestly, with like his motherboard, he got one where they don't have like a special thing. You have to go through the process of circulating it out and in. So let's install it and see if it fixes it. So before we install the SSD, how did you know it was like the drive?
I can show you here. I'm pretty sure. Well, at least I could be wrong, but in the BIOS, it wasn't recognizing the drive.
Okay. So you just said like the drive was missing, but you noticed your other drive was there?
Yeah, so this is my 2 terabyte hard drive.
Yeah.
And the SATA port 2, and then these are the M.2 slots. And when it was put in, it used to show up under, like it used to show the M.2 500 gigabyte.
Okay.
And then it just stopped booting up.
You know, you log in your BIOS every day, or how did you notice that little detail?
No, because the error came up, so I was like, there's really nothing I could do on the computer, so I was like, I'll go to the BIOS and see what's up.
Okay, gotcha, okay.
And then, yeah.
So the drive he was originally using was an inline 500 gigabyte SSD, which is kind of like the Micro Center version drive for like entry, but they aren't particularly the best with read and writes. So I have, of course, the SSD 980, not the 980 Pro. I want to get the 980 Pro, but this is gonna have, what is it, 3,000 reads and then 5,000 writes, and has 500 gigabytes, so it'll have way more than enough storage for what he wants to do, and it's gonna be way faster than his previous drives. SSD is installed, so the question is now, does it actually fix this PC? What's your expectations? Do you have high hopes?
I do.
You do?
So I don't know what else would be wrong with it. Come on.
Hey, let's go. Let's go, bro. Dude, that works so good. I also have the boot drive, so let me grab that because I need to get him a new pair of windows. Okay, we ran into a little dilemma when we were actually installing Windows. What happened was we saw the drive, right? And we thought we were going to install Windows, everything was going to be good. But what happened was we didn't have the drive actually set up properly, so it was set to an MBR drive. So what we have to do is actually switch it to a GPT drive file type. I will have a video linked down below on how to do that, because if you're having this problem, then yeah, I got you, don't worry. And then we also had to do one more thing even before that, which was actually make sure the drive, the M.2 was the boot drive, number 1 instead of number 2, because number 1 was actually the hard drive. So we fixed it, we're good to go, we installed Windows. So everything should just work now.
Hopefully.
Okay, so Windows, everything's installed, PC's working, we're good to go. It was a pleasure working with you, sir. I'm glad I was able to help you out, man.
Thank you for the help, man.
No problem. So yeah, and that's how you, well, my mic just dropped, nice. But yeah, that's how you fix a dead PC with an M.2, if it doesn't boot because of that reason the drive died. If you guys enjoyed this video though, smash the like button, get subscribed so you don't miss out on tech content, and I'll see you guys for another one, okay? Cool.